Day 3 ramps up, and I'm diving straight into chaos. Today, I'm inputting multiple images into Veo 3.1 for a horror product ad. So, yeah, pray for me. Yesterday, we survived Sora's multi-shots like absolute warriors, but now Veo 3.1 is looking at me like, drop those images? Let me ruin your life. Let's see if it behaves or starts acting possessed. 2 images, 1 spooky cinematic ad. That's the mission. Simple concept, terrifying execution. And honestly, I'm fully expecting jump scare level chaos. Let's keep it chill for the first test, just a basic merge, warm-up round. Combine image 1 and image 2 into one horror-style scene.
What has been seen cannot be unseen.
Easy start, right? But bro, this thing turned into a haunted Windows XP wallpaper, like the ghost of Microsoft just woke up. All right, time to add a bit more sauce, a little more flavor. Blend image 1, haunted house, and image 2, creepy doll, into a single frame with dark lighting and light fog. Okay, better. Now we go serious mode. Merge both uploaded images into a cohesive horror ad shot. Match lighting, add mild haze, and keep shadows consistent. Lighting improved, shadows kind of vibing, but it still feels like 2 pictures being forced to sit together in a group project. Let's push the cinematic energy. Give it that movie trailer punch. Blend image 1, dark forest, and image 2, screaming face, into one scene. Add cold blue tones, slow pan in, and atmospheric fog. Yes, now we're cooking. Finally spooky, finally creepy, still missing that final horror punch though. All right, it's time. The final boss prompt. Create a horror commercial combining both uploaded images into one cinematic environment. Use volumetric fog, low-angle camera, dramatic shadows, eerie bell cue, slow-moving pan, and consistent texture blending. That is it. This is the money shot, the actual horror ad energy I needed. Finally, it looks like a real horror ad now. Pro, this took way too long, but we got the win. Here's the final 10-second horror ad. Creepy vibe officially locked in. Nailed it. Drop your horror ideas for day 4. I'm ready to suffer again. And hey, follow me for more of these insane daily AI challenges. Let's go.